Right then, it's the one and only Hibs Happy Hour. Happy Friday, everybody. What we're going to cover this week is a BEER52 delivery. It's just arrived. As always, you get a magazine, the ferment. Always comes with a little snack. Love corn. Better this week, we're getting a lot of pretzels, so they've taken the feedback there. What is going to keep me as a customer? I'll tell you what. I want to see new, fresh beers, inventive beers, and beers that I'm not going to be able to buy off the supermarket shelves. And I do like to go to the different retailers and I do get to see what's on the shelves. These are things I haven't seen before, and that's what's going to keep me as a customer. This is a Eye IPA, 7%. Looks really nice, tooth and claw. We've got a Rhubarb Milkshake IPA. Wow, looks really good. Really love the taste. Threshold Brew York. New, not seen that before. The White Hag I'm quite familiar with. It's probably one of the more common ones that you would potentially buy from a supermarket, but I haven't actually tried this before. Phantom Hazy IPA, 4%. Paradise Hazy Pale Ale. Not seen this before. I'm not sure who this is brewed by, but looks quite refreshing. This looks really good. This is a Nevermore Cold Brew Coffee Porter. Really nice by Fyne Ales. And that's 5%. Really looking forward to trying that. Monomania by Vocation, which is 431 Pale. Different. So Vocation Brewery, looking forward to trying that. Bristol Beer Factory, which is a brewery I'm not familiar with either. That's an Espresso Martini. That's 4.5%, quite a light stout. Buro The Hells, which is a German, which is 5.2%. And then last but not least, a beer that is close to my heart and my home is Buxton Brewery in the High Peak, Derbyshire. Of course, I am familiar, but these are new. I have not tried these before. So this one is a Kveik Oat IPA. Looks really good. That's 4.4%. A Coconut Pastry Stout, which is very inventive. Really looking forward to trying that. That's 6%. So really hope you're enjoying the show. Really hope you all have a lovely weekend. Do not forget to look at my playlist with all my other beer subscriptions. Lots of love and passion going into this. So please do not forget to subscribe. Enjoy.